so mellow.
Let's start learning alphabet with animals' names. A is for alligator, a green alligator splashing in a river. A is for antelope, a brown antelope leaping in the grass. A is for ant, a tiny red ant crawling on a leaf. B is for bear, a big brown bear standing tall. B is for butterfly, a blue butterfly fluttering in the air. B is for buffalo, a buffalo grazing in the field. C is for cheetah, a cheetah running very fast. C is for crocodile, a green crocodile opening its mouth. C is for camel, a camel walking in the desert. D is for dolphin, a dolphin jumping out of the water. D is for dog, a friendly dog wagging its tail. D is for deer, a spotted deer looking around. E is for elephant, a huge elephant with long tusks. E is for eagle, an eagle soaring in the sky. E is for eel, a slippery eel swimming in the water. F is for fox, a red fox sneaking in the forest. F is for frog, a green frog sitting on a lily pad. F is for falcon, a falcon flying high above. G is for giraffe, a giraffe stretching its long neck. G is for gorilla, a gorilla beating its chest. G is for goat, a goat munching on grass. H is for horse, a horse galloping fast. H is for hippo, a hippopotamus relaxing in the water. H is for hen, a hen pecking the ground. I is for iguana, a spiky iguana sunbathing on a rock. I is for ibis, a long-beaked bird wading in shallow water. J is for jaguar, a jaguar hiding in the jungle. J is for jackal, a jackal howling at night. J is for jellyfish, a glowing jellyfish floating in the sea. K is for kangaroo, a kangaroo hopping with a joey. K is for koala, a koala hugging a tree. K is for kingfisher, a kingfisher diving for fish. L is for lion, a lion roaring proudly. L is for leopard, a leopard resting on a branch. L is for lemur, a lemur with big eyes on a tree.
M is for monkey, a monkey swinging on vines. M is for moose, a moose with giant antlers. M is for macaw, a colorful macaw parrot spreading wings. N. N is for nightingale, a nightingale singing on a branch. N is for newt, a little newt crawling near water. N is for narwhal, a narwhal with a long tusk swimming. O. O is for owl, a wide-eyed owl sitting at night. O is for otter, an otter floating on its back. O is for octopus, a purple octopus with long arms. P. P is for penguin, a penguin sliding on ice. P is for panda, a panda eating bamboo. P is for peacock, a peacock spreading bright feathers. Q. Q is for quail, a small quail bird walking quickly. Q is for quokka, a quokka smiling happily. R. R is for rabbit, a white rabbit hopping around. R is for raccoon,
a raccoon with a striped tail. R is for rhino, a rhino with a big horn.
S is for snake, a snake slithering in the grass. S is for seal, a seal clapping its flippers. S is for swan, a swan swimming gracefully. T is for tiger, a tiger prowling in the jungle. T is for turtle, a turtle crawling slowly. T is for toucan, a toucan with a colourful beak. U is for unicorn, a magical unicorn with a shining horn. U is for Uriel, a wild sheep with curly horns. U is for umbrella bird, a black umbrella bird with fluffy feathers. V is for vulture, a vulture circling in the sky. V is for viper, a viper coiled on a rock. V is for vicuña, a vicuña grazing in the Andes. W is for wolf, a wolf howling at the moon. W is for walrus, a walrus with long tusks. W is for woodpecker, a woodpecker tapping a tree. X is for X-ray tetra, a shiny tetrafish swimming. X is for xerus, a ground squirrel nibbling food. Y is for yak, a yak with shaggy fur. Z is for zebra, a zebra with black and white stripes.